Item number one.
My lord, on the last occasion, my lord has verbally asked me to produce the status report. My lord, this work has been completed and it has been inaugurated very recently, my lord. Data side.
Oh, that state data center.
Yes, my lord.
So he says that it was given to those private
Enterprises. Yes.
but none is appearing.
None has appeared.
Last petition.
Yes, my lord.
I think I handled it last.
Yes,
time.
my lord. And they sought time to file reply. They were saying that
that
they will be
has not
filing
been
reply on during the course of the day.
It has not been done.
Not.
We'll give it one. We give them one more chance. Otherwise, we'll close it.
Yes.
Did you know? Mr. R. Ratan Rangan, additional advocate general, appearing for the state respondents, has placed on record the instructions received by him, which reveals that the state data center has been made operational and the same was inaugurated on 11/3/2024. So, on the last date of listing, the learned counsel for the petitioner had submitted that a rejoinder affidavit has been filed by him in the matter. However, the office note dated 14/3/2024 reveals that such rejoinder affidavit has not been received by the registry. None has also appeared on behalf of the petitioner today. In view of the above position, as a last chance, the petitioner, in the interest of justice, the matter stands adjourned today and be listed after 2 weeks. 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged, madam.
A copy of the status report as furnished by Mr. Ratan Rangan, additional advocate general, is kept on record and marked as X for identification.
That will be fixed on 10 of the April.
10 of April.
Yes,
You are for the petitioner.
I'm for the respondent.
You are for the respondent.
My lord, I am for the petitioner,
Yes.
so the matter may be fixed after Bihu vacation or vacation. Then it's very difficult.
After due vacation.
Okay.
After vacation, my lord.
On the request of the learned counsel for the respondent, the matter is adjourned today. I have also heard Mr. E. Deka, the learned counsel for the petitioner. List on 19 April. After Bihu.
Okay.
After vacation. Okay.
May it please your lordship?
Yes.
I have a small prayer, my lord. On yesterday's costliest, item number 3, arbitration appeal was listed, which was adjourned on behalf of us, my lord, and it was fixed on Monday, but it will not convene for us, for my lord.
Which
It will
item-
be fixed on
item
item number 3, yesterday's list, my lord.
Yesterday's list, I do not remember.
Item number 3, it was fixed on Monday, my lord. It is fixed for Monday. Can it be fixed on 19th of April, my lord?
It is already done. Yesterday's matter, how can I remember?
I make mention memo, my lord.
If you want to mention it, I can give it an order.
I make a mention for
You
19th
file a
of,
mention memo
yes, my lord, I have already.
on 19.
19th of April, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
Item number 1. Yes.
Well, there is a complete violation of section 195 and 340 of the CRPC. Below. The fact in nutshell is that below, there was a land dispute between the parties,
Yes.
and then what had happened? The extra assistant commissioner made an inquiry, below.
Okay.
So then, in the meantime, there was a status quo order passed by the DC at the appellate stage. But in hiatus, what had happened was
Yes.
that the appellant here, my lord,
Yes.
has furnished one land allotment documents, my lord. So that land allotment document turned out to be a fake one.
Okay.
So then Now, my lord, is aware section 20 of the CRPC, how the executive magistrate, they functions.
Section 20, CRPC.
Section 20. Huh. Right, then we'll go to the. No, that is, since the extra assistant commissioner was the presiding officer and he is bestowed with the power of executive magistrate.
Oh, it's.
So executive magistrate is defined in section 20, my lord, of the CRPC. So what I'm contending, my lord, at this moment is, since I have purportedly have submitted one land allotment document before him in that court only, he is the presiding officer, but he did not lodge FIR against me. The private respondent, my lord, have in fact directly lodged the FIR after obtaining document from the ESC office. So meaning thereby, my lord, any offers in that capacity as a tribunal or the administrative officer or the executive magistrate is a court itself, and EAC was the presiding officer. And when there is a violation under section 340, then the bar comes in 195. So it is that particular court has to lodge the FIR. So therefore, on the basis of lodging FIR by the private respondent, the learned court below taking cognizance and proceeding with the trial is not permissible in law.
Yes, yes.
So, my lord, see, this particular thing was already dealt. The similar situated fact, my lord.
Okay, I will stay the proceeding.
Yes, but then issue notice and then I'll serve.
Now notice will go.
Yes, notice maybe.
We heard the learned counsel, Mr. T.T. Tara, AP for the petitioner. Heard Mr. G. Tado, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondent number 1 because Mr. Tado has accepted notice. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD. Least after 4 weeks till returnable date. The further proceeding of GR case number 751 of 2020 pending before the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate UPIA Capital Complex UPIA shall remain stayed.
Remains. Grateful.
Iskan copy of LCR may be called.
Just verify.
An extra copy of the memo of the petition shall be provided to Mr. Tado.
My lord, next date, it will be extended in any case. my lord.
Yes, yes.
Kindly make it until further order, my lord.
Till returnable date, no, until further order,
Grateful. my lord.
the further proceeding of so and so shall remain stayed.
Grateful. my lord. Okay.
Item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, this is a joint application, Lordship.
joint petition.
Lordship.
What is the section?
Section, Your Lordship will find the section 354, 354B, 326, 447.
Where is the FIR?
FIR. Your Lordship will find it page number 9, Lordship.
Page number 9.
Lordship. May I read the FIR?
Yes, yes.
Lordship? First information report against Sri Techi Pana, son and so, that is the petitioner number 1 in the instant case, Lordship, the permanent resident of so, for attempt to murder and attempt to rape me and my 2 sisters, causing grievous hurt to our body with sharp weapon such as dao and sisa glass to me and to my sister. With due respect, I have honored to inform you that today, dated 12/9/23 at about 12:30 AM, one Sri Techi Pana forcefully entered inside our rented house at Papu apartment at Rono village, Duimuk, and started torturing us. He tortured us till 4:45 AM without any reason. Thereafter, when I protested, he touched my body inappropriately and tried to negate my body parts. He took out his long knife and threatened to kill us. When I shouted for help, he broken the sisa glass and stepped with the broken glass to my face and head. My blood profusely came out. My 2 roommate tried to save me. He also beaten to the minor sister, Miss so-and-so, aged about so-and-so. He assaulted and physically attacked was continuously till 5 a.m. Thereafter, my two roommates informed the matter to my brother and relatives for help. So I was taken to the hospital and accused person attack was taken to the Duimuk police station by police personnel. Thereafter, Lordship, before this, this FIR has been lodged, Lordship. Now the petitioner number 1 and the petitioner number 2, Lordship, they are in a living relationship, Lordship.
Oh, it's petitioner number,
Complainant, Lordship.
both are.
But both are Lordship. They were in a living relationship, and this was happened because the petitioner number was there was some misunderstanding between both the petitioner Lordship. Now thereafter, as soon as this FIR was lodged, police has investigated the matter, Lordship. In the meantime, they have settled the matter among themselves by intervention of the family members, Lordship. Now my humble prayer, Lordship, the notice may be issued, Lordship. In the meantime, this proceeding may be stayed, Lordship. All the sections, Lordship, there are two sections which are non-compoundable, Lordship. The injury which has been caused to the petitioner, Lordship. Petitioner number 2, Lordship. That is the simple in nature, Lordship. Though the section 326 has been invoked by the investigation officer, Lordship. Now your Lordship will find the
So now notice will go. I will call for the LCA.
Lordship, then
I will stay the further proceeding.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. T. Gaurav appearing for the petitioners. Heard Mr. G. Tadu till the additional PP for the state of Assam. Call for the scanned copy of the case record of, what is the case number?
Lordship. Duimok, woman PS 90 of 23, Lordship.
Now succeeded, there should have been a new number.
No, Lordship. This has been FIR number, Lordship, the 90 of 2023. Lordship. Pending before
Call for
the.
a scanned copy of the case record of,
Sorry for interruption, Your Worship.
huh?
Sorry for interruptions. Here, this petition seems a joint petitions by both the party arriving into a settlement agreement. But there is no authorization from the victim side,
From?
from victim. And no separate affidavit is also there.
Oh, so victim has not filed affidavit.
Yes.
No, Lordship, this is.
Who filed? the affidavit?
Neither authorization letter nor affidavit.
No, the Lordship will find the settlement copy at page number 13, Lordship.
No, only the petitioner number 1 has filed the affidavit.
Yes.
The women should also file the affidavit.
Lordship, on the next date, I'll bring on record with the
Okay.
additional affidavit, Lordship.
Heard Mr. T. Gaurav appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. G. Tadu, the learned additional PP for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. The petitioner is directed to file an affidavit. The petitioner, Miss Nabam Anu, is directed to file an affidavit stating that she has compromised the matter with the other petitioner, Techi Pana, T-E-C-H-I Pana. When you will file the affidavit?
Lordship, this Techi Pana and Miss Navam, they have mutually settled the agreement, Lordship. But so far as the Lordship victim is concerned, Lordship, it has been authorized verbally, but not in a written form, Lordship.
But there is why she should file an affidavit. You file an affidavit on her behalf.
Lordship,
You file an affidavit. Ask her to file an affidavit.
Lordship, and within 2 or 3 days, I'll file it. Let this matter come up on next week.
Arrest on date,
Lordship. Then this matter.
21.
Lordship.
21.
Lordship.
List on 21-3.
Deeply obliged. Lordship.
May I lordship? Lordship is, lordship is.
I will have to hear you on this
Yep.
matter.
Yeah, lordship.
On some other day, not today. You suggest one date when you will be able to do.
Admission. Then,
For a hearing will be required
After 3 weeks.
after 3 weeks. After hearing the land councils of both sides, the matter is adjourned today, least after 3 weeks.
lordship, interim may be continued.
The interim order pastor will continue until then.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
I am for petitioner.
Yes.
Here in this petition, my lord, I am impugning the order dated 9/6/2023, my lord. At page 110,
Okay, Mr. Tama,
my lord,
I will have to examine it properly.
my lord.
So let us have it on some other day. Matter is serious, so on some other day.
My lord, in that case, after 3 weeks, interim may be continued.
Okay, after hearing the learned counsels of both sides, the matter is adjourned today, least after 3 weeks. The interim order pastelle will continue until then.
Highly obliged.
Item number 5. Nair is here. Criminal petition.
Dispute, my lord, between two villages, two villages. So.
So,
will require some hearing.
Yes, it will require some hearing. I have seen it.
My lord, may I, subject to what my learned friend says, may I make a proposal to my lord? Since it's about a village dispute of a plot of land amongst two communities. But if a survey could be made by the deputy commissioner to assess the situation with the records, that might lead to a quietus in the matter. It's a long-standing dispute. From 2001, there was a high court order.
It will take some time. I will have to hear you properly. Let us have it on some other date. You suggest on it, you were coming from Guwahati.
So
29th would be
April,
You were also coming from Guwahati,
from Tinsukia, Your Lordship.
from Tinsukia.
Yes.
29 April.
29 March,
April.
April. After hearing the learned counsels of both sides, the matter is adjourned today, list on 29 April.
Your Lordship, interim order.
The interim order pastelle will continue until then.
Deeply obliged.
Why not? This is a Assam Arunachal border dispute. I was a EAC at that time, my lord.
That's it.
Most probably, they are preparing an affidavit.
Lordship, we need to file affidavit, Lordship. It's in drafting state, Lordship, so we need some more time,
You want to file affidavit?
Lordship.
Okay, I heard Mr. P.D. Nair appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS H. Lakshmi, the learned additional PP for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. MS Lakshmi submits that she needs time to file the affidavit. After hearing both sides, the prayer is allowed. When he will file?
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Would it also be on 29
After,
April?
list on 29 April.
The interim order is.
The interim order pastelle will continue on.
Item number 8. Your Lordship, by this application, we have prayed for quashing of FIR, Your Lordship. But on the last occasion, Your Lordship, this honorable court has been pleased to call for updated case diary, Your Lordship. So whether it has come or not.
You are from Tinsukia Court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I was there, I had not seen you.
Your Lordship, actually, I was there in Margherita, Your Lordship.
Oh, it's okay.
Yes.
As per last order dated,
Registry to necessary action to transmit the records.
last order, as per court.
Last order.
There was a direction from this honorable court to produce updated CD, but updated CD is not yet received.
Not yet received.
Yes.
Mr. G. Tado, the learned counsel additional PP for the state of Arunachal Pradesh submits that the updated case diary as directed has not been received. So Mr. Tado prays for some more time. I have also heard Mr. S. Sharma, the learned counsel for the petitioner. When it will come, updated case diary?
Uh, 26
26 March.
March. Yes.
26 March.
Yes, Your Lordship.
List on 26 March.
Deeply
Obliged.
obliged. Deeply obliged.